In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. Drop-down menus are a great way to organize your content and make navigation easier for visitors. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening Wix Studio. Once inside the editor, locate the main menu on your site and click Manage Menu. This opens a panel where you can see the current structure of your site's navigation. To add a drop-down, click Add Item, then select Drop-down. A new drop-down menu will be created. Now you can drag existing pages or items into it. Arrange them however you like to group related pages together. For example, you might place your blog categories or shop sections under a single heading. After arranging the items, close the menu manager to save your changes. Then, click on the menu again and go to Layout. Here you can adjust settings like formatting and alignment to make sure the drop-down fits smoothly with your design. Now, to see it in action, click Preview. This lets you test how the drop-down works and make sure it looks and functions exactly the way you want. Finally, click on Design to style your drop-down menu. You can change fonts, colors, backgrounds, and hover effects so that it matches your site's overall look and branding. And that's it. You've created a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. With just a few adjustments, you can make your navigation clean, organized, and user-friendly.